The system world is just that, a world. It doesn't just stop at the case. The job extends from workshop to job site and everywhere in between. This calls for accessories to increase organization and portability with minimal effort. All cases can be neatly stored in the system cabinet when not in use. This creates a home base for your components that can be securely locked. These cabinets hold up to 5 cases of the same size. Each case rests on a tray that can hold up to 20 kilos with ball bearing slides for easy access. Made of durable, powder-coated metal, it can withstand the workshop environment. Multiple cabinets can be securely stacked in different configurations to allow maximum accessibility. Or take advantage of the side and rear panels that feature square perforations for additional accessories. When it's time to go, load up the steel system trolley with up to 250 kilograms. Cases securely clip into the trolley for safe moving. Connect the adapter plate to attach the 4.4.1 and 8.4.1 system cases together. Keep everything together as one unit. Fast and efficient.